In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to make your material emissive in Adobe Substance Painter. So firstly, let's create a new fill layer. Then we're going to go down to texture set settings. We're going to create a new emissive channel. Then we'll go back to properties. We're going to alt click on emissive to only select this channel. And then you can select any color you'd like. In this case, I'll go for red. Now what you can do is you can tweak some of the settings. So firstly, I'm going to go to display settings. Now this is really useful for things like rendering. If you want a more in-depth video, be sure to check out my rendering tutorial. And we're going to scroll down, activate post effects, check glare, like so. And then you can have a play around with this and get this how you'd like. Let's leave that for now. Another setting you can change is in the shader settings. You can change the emissive intensity, like so. And that is it, guys. That is how you make your material emissive in Substance Painter. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.